All right, in this video, I have a pair of sneakers that I hit on Adidas Confirmed. Kind of stoked about this one, to be honest. This is a Forum 84 Bape Low with Adidas. I love the box, first of all. This branding is super fire. This box is super thick, super heavy, and then it does have the Bape 30 on the lid. You do get a couple extras in here. So we have a couple of pouches with some extra sets of laces. Then we do have a sneaker bag with the Adidas and the Bape logos on it with the blue camo, but I didn't get the blue camo shoes. I did get the green camo ones. And this Adidas Forum Low model might be one of my favorite ones to release. Leave a comment in the comment section what Adidas Forum Low or High have released recently that you think is better than the Bape collaboration, because this one's kind of up there. I like the camo on it, and there's some things I mentioned that I like, and then there's a couple things that I think that could be improved. But from overall first look of the shoe, just to give you guys kind of like an overview, you have that kind of Bape camo all over the upper of the shoe. The toe box does have some perforation, and it's a nice leather there. Then you do have 3 stripes on the side in green, and then you do also have that plastic mudguard heel cup in green as well. Green liner, nice green accents on the shoe for sure. You have that white leather for the tongue as well, and then a green trim around that. On the tongue, it does have the Bape logo with a 3, so celebrating 30 years of Bape. And then on the reverse side, it is a gold foil tray foil from Adidas. On the insole of the shoe, it says A Bathing Ape, and it does have the Ape logo there done in the gold foil. And then you do have the Bape camo on the insole as well. The midsole is kind of the off-white cream, and then the outsole is done in green as well with a little bit of a lighter green for the little radial pod here. You have the lace braid down here that has a 3, and then the Bape logo for the 30 years again. And then across the strap of the shoe, it actually says A Bathing Ape on one, and then Adidas on the other shoe. Also, there is a gold stamped foil like Bape logo on the back of one of the shoes, and then the gold Adidas logo on the other shoe. So I like that they kind of mixed and matched them there. I do like that they're pretty clever with the heel as well of the shoe. You can see the Bape face in the camo on the back of the shoe. So it's nice that they actually added that there. So it looks like the Bape logo, even though it's kind of mixed with the camo. But all in all, I'd say that the overall look of the shoe, camo, is really nice. This is honestly one of the colorways that I was wanting to get and I wanted to check out. So happy that I was able to land this colorway. They did have a blue one as well, but leave a comment if you guys got the blue one and if you like it or not. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty big success for myself though to get this colorway, because this is again the one that I wanted. I think they look really nice on feet as well, so that's an added bonus. But 3 things that I wanted to mention that I really like about the shoe, and then a couple things that I don't. Obviously, you can see from the box again, the packaging is A1. It's really cool. I like the fact that there is a little bit of a ridge here so it doesn't go all the way flat, and then it's easier to pop up. But the other thing is the thickness of the cardboard of this lid is like 4 times thicker than an average box. Like, this is a hefty lid right here. I love the fact that it has a premium packaging on there with the 3 and the ape right there, and then the 3 stripes done in that foil is really nice as well. Obviously, as I mentioned, the extras in here, there's also the Bape paper that is in here and Adidas paper as well. But the overall experience just from opening the box lets you know that this is a premium product, and I'm very happy to see that they actually included that. The next pro that I'd mention is just the overall color of the shoe. I like the fact that they went with that green camo, but did kind of like that white and green accents as well. A Bathing Ape, or Bape as they call it, is a fashion brand that was founded by Nigo in 1993. And the third thing is the premium look and feel of the actual product. Yeah, the box is premium as well, but the actual product in hand looks and feels premium. With the gold foil accents, adds a lot to the shoe, and then you do have the leather underneath that is really nice as well. So I like that they went with a premium look and feel, and I feel like they delivered in this product. Now, a couple of little things if I had a nitpick that I would change or I don't necessarily like. I mean, this is just really nitpicking at the end of the day, because honestly, I really think it's a great shoe. The first sort of nitpick, I guess, would be the branding of the shoe with the 3-0 or the 3 Bape. I feel like it's kind of cool because it's like a nod to 30 years and stuff, which I do appreciate. I wish they would have just left that on the box though, or left it a little bit smaller on the shoe, because honestly, it feels more timeless, I guess, if they just have the Bape head logo down here instead. And then also on the tongue of the shoe, adding the 3 just, again, dates the material, and I wish they didn't necessarily do that all over the place. But again, I understand why they did that, and of course it's clever the way that they branded it. I just personally think it could look better without it. Like, you buy a pair of Air Force Ones, you don't necessarily always want to get the one that says like 30 years or 40 years or whatever. Sometimes you just want the one that just doesn't say anything about it, but you know that it's 40 years old or whatever. Also, again, just nitpicking the strap. I wish that they would have done something a little bit different to the strap. Yes, it is featured on the regular forums as well. Sometimes it's nice if you can make this detachable though. I would have liked that or preferred that personally, just because I would take off the strap on the forums in general. It's just not something I love. I don't wear it on, my ankles don't really allow for it too well. And I like to wear my shoes a little bit more loose and more relaxed. What would have been really dope is if you could actually take this off, have it be Velcro and stick around the back heel clip of the shoe. Adidas, take note, maybe make that into a pair of forums. I'd absolutely love that. And the last nitpick, I mean, I said it's a premium product and it looks premium and it feels premium, but I wish it didn't have that premium price tag. 180 for a pair of forums. It could have been 200 in any given other day or year. 170 would have been like more ideal. Even 150 would have been crazy to get a nice collaboration at that price point. Not likely to happen, but I can dream, right? All in all, I'd say that this is a pretty sleeper collaboration at this point because the resale prices aren't really spiked on it or anything like that, but I feel like they really delivered and created something really cool. And I like to see Jalen Green on like the promo of the product as well. I think that was a really smart marketing move as well. Hopefully we'll see Jalen Green in his own like sort of Adidas shoes. Maybe he'll get an Adidas basketball deal. Edwards already got one, so maybe he'll get one next since he's kind of been the face of a couple lifestyle things. But leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the Bape or the Bathing Ape Adidas Forum Low 84s. I personally think they're great and I'm happy that I got them. I was actually really excited to wait to do this video even if it doesn't get any traction. It's one that I was excited to get because it looked great and it put them on feet and it felt great as well. So leave it at that. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Drop a like on the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to my channel and you want to see some of my other content. And hopefully you have a good rest of the day out there. All right, peace guys.